She's in the bathroom. Come on, Marley. Come on. She's in the bathroom. She's in the bathroom. You act like she's gonna leave or something. Stop. He likes my IHSS worker. So does she. They're just waiting for her to get out of the bathroom so they can go bugger and act hyper. But until then, they're digging at their fleas. Wendy, no. Marley, no. No fleas. No fleas. No fleas. I said no fleas. No fleas. No fleas. Don't get those fleas. Don't get those fleas. Wendy, don't get those fleas. Don't get those fleas, little girl. Don't get those fleas. He's waiting for her. He's waiting for that door. He's waiting for that door to open. Well, go check it out. Go see. Go see. Go see if she's coming out. Go see. Hyper dog. Very hyper dogs. Wendy's just sitting by me saying, I'm just going to sit here with Mom and scratch. Okay, here comes Marley. He's going to flip. There they go. They're flipping out.